Let's know why is there a high chances of twins in IVF conception. So we already seen in the other videos that what are the types of twins. Now let's see how impact of twins in the present pregnancy. Once the twins are diagnosed in early pregnancy, importantly is the growth monitoring of both the babies are very important. How is the growth? Is the growth corresponding to their last period and is the growth corresponding to each other? If there is any discordant or if there is any disparity between both the twins, these are to be checked in hand, because sometimes the good baby takes the food away and gives it to the other baby. Another baby keeps growing very fast, another twin A will be growing very fast, and sometimes the B will be growing very slow. This is mainly seen when the placenta, that is the food sharing organ, that is placenta, is shared between both the twins. This type of twins is called as monochorionic twins. These monochorionic twins has a risk of growth difference between both the twins. If this is suspected, an immediate fetal assessment should be done, whether how is there any disparity in the growth and how much is the disparity between the growth. Accordingly the management differs. But if there is twins with two different placenta and with two different sacs, this type of disparity is not very much seen, and also the both babies grow together hand in hand with a not much disparity, and the end result what we see is also fair. So based on the growth, based on how is the twin type, the treatment management, the follow up of the twins is changed.